All right, this is Comet and Stella going out in the blizzard of 2013.
Alright guys, you ready?
Oh my god! We did shovel last night, and you can't tell. Actually, you can tell a little bit. And look at Stella.
Stelly, capi.
Poor Stelly.
Capista.
High five. Oh, Comet. Comet's having so much fun. Comet, are you creating a little path for yourself?
Hey buddy. Where's the snow?
Here's Stell.
Hey Stell, sorry about the snow.
Hi, buddy. How's Comet?
Come buddy.
And Stella's done.
Stelly's back.
And Comet's back. This is what the yard looks like.
Oh, it's crazy.
Oh my god. Oh my god, our poor tree. We shoveled 6 times last night. Wow.
What's happening?